Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to see that how to insert an image, means how to give the coding for the image in HTML. So here you can see that I have taken the background as an image. Here there is a second thing, that is how to insert an image inside the web page. And yes, if you want outside, means you want to create a link, then yes, you can create the link of the image also. So let's start. So first of all we will go for the coding. तो यहाँ मैंने बहुत सारे coding करके रखे हैं. So I'll just show you the first thing, that is about the hyperlink. If you don't know that how to create, यानी आपको coding नहीं आता है, if you don't know how to do the coding for HTML and you are new to that, then you can go to my channel, you can go to the I button. In that I have given the introduction about the HTML, understanding about HTML. Then also there are many other videos related to HTML, so you can go to my playlist also. And also you can go to the YouTube shorts related to the app, which you can get it in your mobile phone if you don't have the laptop. So let's start. So yes, you can see it over here. This coding is done already. You know about this. HTML had title, opening and closing, had closing, then body, and in between of the body now we are going to give the hyperlink. तो आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि AHREF, it is written over there. A means anchor tag, which is for the linking, and HREF, that is hypertext reference, equal to आपको देना है, and then you have to go for the address, right? So how you will go for this address of the image? तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to go by Windows R, or maybe if you don't have it Windows R, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो सर्च में आप run लिख सकते हो. You can write it run and you can go to it. Okay, now you will go for browse, and wherever you have the image, आपकी image कहीं भी है तो वो आपको देखना है. But remember कि यहाँ programs दिख रहा है तो आपको all files करना है. Okay, you have to go for all files. And if you want to see the thumbnail of it, then yes, you can go with the thumbnail of it. आप select करोगे picture, right? I've just selected the picture and you can see over here the JPEG file. I'll click on it. मैं उसके ऊपर click करूंगी, या तो फिर drag करके select करेंगे उसको and make a right click and copy. ठीक है? And after that you will paste it over here. मैं यहाँ उसकी जगह change कर रही हूँ. I'm just taking the, instead of GIF now I'm taking JPEG file. And remember that double quotations are necessary when you are writing the coding. आप अगर coding लिख रहे हो तो, otherwise when you are just going with the output तो आपको ये accept कर लेता है. And when you are doing the changes in the file which you have already saved it, तो यहाँ आपको asterisk दिखेगा, तो आपको save करना है ये file को. Now you can see that I have done the change. मैंने यहाँ change किया हुआ है hyperlink वाले image के लिए. So just I will go to this part. मैं यहाँ जाऊंगी और ये file में just click here to see the picture. हाँ, इसमें हमें क्या करना है, that also I will just tell you कि हमें linking चाहिए तो we needed a text जिसके ऊपर आप click करोगे. So you will write the text, like here I have written click to see the picture, and then I have given the closing of anchor tag because it is a container element. आप याद रखना container element यानी opening and closing is needed over there. So you have to give it, and afterwards you can see this way the linking will be given. यहाँ आपको link आएगा, उसके ऊपर click करना है and your image is over here. Okay, so this is the thing. If you want to go back, आप पीछे जा सकते हो previous के लिए, previous page, and you can see over there, right? Now the next thing, that is about the another type of link. You can see that is in the web page. अगर आपके खुद के web page में, यानी एक ही web page में आपको चाहिए तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, you will go, I'll just go to my file of image. Okay, मैं यहाँ मेरी image वाली file पे जा रही हूँ. I'll click on open. You can see it over here, right? अब मैंने क्या किया है, now I want in the web page the image. So what I will do, this all process is the same, but here it will be img src. आपको img tag लेना है. You have to take img tag, and this is not a container element, it is an empty element. Okay, this is an empty element. Empty element यानी इसको closing की जरूरत नहीं है. Now you have to give SRC, that is instead of HREF, जो आपने HREF दिया था जिसमें आपने पूरा एड्रेस लिखा था इमेज का. Here we are going to take SRC, and now I will go for the another image. Yes, okay, तो यहाँ मैं ये PNG ले सकते हैं. We can also take GIF file. As you have seen that I have taken the GIF, तो मैं फिर से GIF लेना चाहती हूँ. So I will just go to run, click on browse, okay, and then all files यहाँ से करेंगे and we will see your one more image if we have it. अगर हमारे पास है तो just मैं देख लेती हूँ. I don't have it over here documents में. Yes, I have it here. So I'll just click on it. You can see it and click on open. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा GIF. Okay. तो ये मैंने select कर लिया. Now I will make a copy and I will paste it over here. मैं यहाँ उसको paste कर दूँगी. Here you can see that double quotation is over here. Then with that there are properties. उसके attributes भी है. Right. तो height. आपको अगर आपको height देनी है image की तो आप height दे सकते हो in the pixels or in the percentage also. Here I have given in pixels, height like this and width like this. Okay. For the page, आपको page को ध्यान में रखना है and according to that you have to give the height and width. If you want to give the border, अगर आपको border देनी है then you can give the border also. And with that there is another thing that is ALT. Right? ALT is an attribute in which if your image is not coming, अगर आपकी image नहीं आ रही है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो कि हाँ लिख सकते हो. So anybody can come to know. or when it takes time to process. अगर कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि image ज़्यादा time लेता है तो yes you have to write it the text which will come, right? तो इस as a screen tip भी आप बोल सकते हो. So I'll just save it now and now we will go for the this file. आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा कि मैंने ये वेब पेज में ही लिया है this image. So I'll just go with refresh because मैंने already ये save करके रखा हुआ था and I've opened it. So I'll just go for refresh. देखिए मैंने यहाँ refresh कर दिया. ओके. और अगर आपने जहाँ सेव किया like I've saved it on the desktop तो मैं क्या करूँगी जैसे मैंने image 1 के नाम से सेव किया था I will just click on that web page and it is open. Okay. So this is the second method. Now the third method which is about the background. तो आपको background के लिए चाहिए तो again I will go with my another file. तो यहाँ मैं अपनी मैंने फाइल सेव की हुई है. इफ यू हैव नॉट सेव्ड इट देन यस यू कैन मेक इट योर ओन. आपको कोडिंग करना है तो आपको कोडिंग नोटपैड में जाके करना है. यू नो वेरी वेल, राइट? अब मैं जा रही हूँ अपनी जो फाइल जिसमें मैंने बैकग्राउंड के तरीके से लिया है. आई हैव टेकन एज अ बैकग्राउंड. यू कैन सी कि मैंने यहाँ बॉडी टैग एंड इन दैट इट इज एन एट्रीब्यूट ओवर हियर के बैकग्राउंड का एट्रीब्यूट है. आपको ये सारा निकाल कर मैं दिखा रही हूँ. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, नाउ यू विल से मी बाय द कमेंट बॉक्स. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाले. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लिक एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सिलेक्ट इट. आप मुझे बताएंगे कि हाँ हमें क्या करना चाहिए, राइट? तो ये पार्ट मैंने कर लिया है एंड यस नाउ आई विल जस्ट गो टू दैट फाइल. मैं वो फाइल पे चली जाऊंगी. ओके एंड देन click, select, copy and paste. Okay. अब मैं इसे सेव करूंगी. I will save it over here and then I will refresh it. तो मैं ये जो बैकग्राउंड है उसको रिफ्रेश करूंगी. So I will press F5 or I can go to reload this page. Okay. You can see over here that I have reloaded. Okay. So these are the methods of inserting the image in your web page. I think that I've cleared your doubt, and please if you like it, like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the more notification about my new videos. Thank you everyone and have a nice day. Happy Janmashtami to you.